This photo is named Photo Helicopter. There are candy inside, but this candy is so sweet. But this is not shower. But if you choose it, you can spray fast.
Yes.
This slowly
Help
on it.
And when we spin it really fast, what would happen, Pika?
I don't know.
What would happen? The lights will. Oh,
Ow.
where's the light?
I don't know.
The light. Okay. So sometimes the light is on, sometimes it's not. Okay. Here you go.
But people have to turn to
The starting price is.
it. 5.
Yeah, the starting price is 5. Tom, I can see. Mark.
44.
44. 44. Are you sure? Okay. Okay, 44. No. Wait. Oh, okay. I will wait. 44 and wait for your 20. Wait. Hold on. Okay, so now Mark.
20.
20 first. Who wants to say 20?
28.
28.
Sorry.
40.
41.
41. Oh, no, you can say so.
40.
40 now. No? Okay, 40. Lucy? Okay. Wow, okay. Oh, wow, okay. That's 40 there.
41.
41.
43.
43? 43?
45.
45.
Okay.
And keep it higher than
That's
that.
good.
44. Okay. Oh, yeah. 46. It's 46 now. Can you go higher than that? Yeah, look. Wow.
47. 48.
48 now.
49.
50. Oh my god, 50. Hold on. Everyone needs to count, okay? This is fun. Yeah, you guys can cooperate. And share toys, right?
I have more than 50.
Wow. 51. No. 50.
51.
51. You can count. You guys make sure that you have enough.
52.
Wait, 51 now.
I want more.
Yeah.
52.
Oh,
52.
53.
53.
53.
54.
54. You guys can go stop. Make sure that you have enough money, okay? You have money from the off. You good boy. Good boy. Yeah. Okay.
I think we have more now.
50. 55. 56.
56. 70. 71. 72.
You can go with all.
73. 74.
75.
76.
80. Oh, they don't hear.
80.
18. Let's see if you have more than 18. 81. 81. Oh my god. What?
90.
19. 19.